All right, welcome back to this mini-series on how to understand real estate investing online. Just go to leadersofthecrowd.com/small change for a guided tour of some of the sites that you can find online, as well as some free goodies, right, that you can download. So in this episode, I'm going to be going ahead and talking about preferred equity. Or preferred return, actually. So here you can see on the screen, I've got this one deal. This is Englewood. And down here, you'll see this concept of preferred return. All right, so the preferred return is what the sponsor, the developer, gives to investors to entice them to invest with him, right, or with her. So there are a few things that the developer is going to be offering in return for your confidence in them. One of those is a share of the profit, probably, and also this preferred return. And you can think of it kind of like the interest that you get in a bank, except that in a bank, it's money guaranteed, right? It's guaranteed by the federal government. In real estate investing, it is not guaranteed. So this is a projected return. It is preferred return, which means that you're going to be getting that return or that interest, in this case 8%, before anybody else gets any kind of return in the deal. Or there may be some nuances to that. So how do you figure out what the nuances are? I'm going to show you that right now, a quick shortcut to do that. So scan up here, click on the disclosure packet, and then here's a nifty little shortcut. Go to find, put in preferred, hit the return button, and you'll see that the concept of preferred, or the word preferred, has been repeated 11 times. So scan through the document, see every instance of preferred, the word preferred. You'll be able to understand exactly how those returns are being paid back to you. Go to leadersofthecrowd.com/small change for a guided tour of all the websites and some additional information on how to invest in syndicated real estate deals online. Hope you found this interesting. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.